Hi, Matt Garrow here, Ocean Protect. Just out here at the foothills of the Blue Mountains on the Nepean River, Regatta Park. We've just installed the first of 2 OceanSaves with our partners Western Earth Moving on this fantastic new upgrade of the park. It's a $24 million investment by the state government. There's some key features on this project out here with the OceanSave OS1612s. These units were built and delivered inside a 3-meter diameter shaft, 150mm walls. The depth overall 9.7 meters, invert level of over 6 meters. So these units were uniquely designed for this project. The solution that the site needed: no diversion box required, simple in and out pipe system, 750 pipes in this case, and Western Earth Moving really liked how easy and quick it was to install. So if you'd like to learn any more about our systems or this project, you can contact us at www.oceanprotect.com.au.